Built for production from day one, the Sferal template is your foundation for your apps and dashboards. It helps you move from idea to application with zero friction. Forget about setting up infrastructure, configuring databases, or managing servers. Sferal takes care of the entire backend, so you can focus on building. This is the Sferal template, the foundation for building through dialogue, not code. At the core, you get enterprise-grade security, authentication, CSRF protection, session management, and role-based access, all configured automatically. Your app starts secure from the first second. Lightning fast. The template is optimized for speed. Pages load fast, actions run smoothly, and your users get a seamless experience without you ever touching performance settings. Modern tech. Built on today's most reliable technologies, React 19, Express 5, and TypeScript 5, giving you a future-proof stack without the setup. AI-assisted development. Sferal brings AI directly into your workflow. Use patterns and guidelines crafted for AI-assisted coding tools so you can implement faster, iterate faster, and ship with confidence. Front-end excellence. Everything you need to deliver a polished, high-quality interface without touching complex UI code. You get UI components. Ready-to-use components mean you never start from zero. Smart forms. Your forms just work. No debugging, no validation headaches. State management. Smooth, predictable interfaces without managing state manually. Routing. Professional navigation out of the box. Back-end power. Everything behind your application runs automatically with high performance, security, and clean architecture. You get performance. Your back-end stays fast automatically. Safety. Security handled at the back-end level without extra work. Database. Your database comes ready with migrations, schemas, and queries you can trust. No setup, no configuration. You store data safely and predictably from day one. Services. Clean structure that grows with your app. You don't need to worry about setting up servers, databases, or infrastructure. Sferal provisions everything automatically. You focus on what you want to build, and the platform takes care of the rest. No code, just dialogue.